You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word from Spanish. If you want to learn more Spanish vocabulary, make sure to stay tuned. We've got all of them, many more confusing pronunciations for you. So the Spanish pronunciation, of course, the meaning is a title, a Spanish-speaking man, Mr., essentially, or Sir. The Spanish pronunciation, Señor, Señor. Essentially, the N with a tilde, with a little symbol, is like GN, it's Ñ. Señor. The stress is on the second syllable, the ñor syllable. Señor. Now, you cannot pronounce Spanish perfectly. Señor. Señor. Not senior, not senior. Señor. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.